Hi everyone, today we're going to make a great recipe. We have, of course, the ever popular blueberry cheesecake, but of course it's extra special because we are using top quality Magnolia products. So, for our crust, we're going to add our Magnolia Gold butter, salted. We're going to add that with our sugar, and we will mix that for a bit with the mixer, about 30 seconds. Once everything is mixed well, we will add our crushed graham crackers. So here we have our springform pan. We put wax paper under. So we add our crust. And we're going to use a pizza roller to help spread this nice mixture. You can also use a spoon if you like. The next step is we have our water and some unflavored gelatin. Give it a good mix. And we will put this in the microwave for 1 minute. So now we're going to do the filling, which is the fun part, and we're going to add 1 package Magnolia cream cheese. We also add 1 package of our Magnolia all-purpose cream. And of course, we have 1 can of condensed milk. And we will mix all the ingredients together. Speed number 1. So we mix for about 30 seconds to 1 minute until everything is mixed well. Once everything is mixed well, we will slowly add our gelatin. About 2 tablespoons. Mix for about 5 rounds before you add the next batch of gelatin. Now, why don't we add all the gelatin at once? Because if you add it all at once, what happens is sometimes the gelatin will settle under. Then we will get our crust mixture and we will pour. There you go. And we're going to put this in the freezer. The longer you freeze it, the better. And here we have our blueberry cheesecake from the freezer. It's nice and firm. And now we're going to top it with our blueberries. So you can only do this when the filling is already firm in texture. So now, you put the topping. You can return it back to the freezer for another 3 hours if you like. Or if you're really hungry, you can eat it right away. Here you have this beautiful, scrumptious, calorific dessert brought to you by the best Magnolia products. Magnolia Gold butter, Magnolia cream cheese, and of course the Magnolia all-purpose cream. Enjoy this!